Hey there everyone, welcome to yet another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to easily get Noisetorch auto starting with your respective Linux distribution. I personally am using Manjaro KDE, and again I believe this should work on any Linux distro that will run Noisetorch, if it be installed from the AUR on Arch to being compiled and installed from source, or whichever way you do it. This method I feel should work, but please correct me if I am wrong on that, and I will pin the comment. But with that, I will get started. So basically, the first thing you need to do after you finish installing Noisetorch is you will want to open up your respective distributions terminal and type in noisetorch-l, and what that will do is display all of the devices connected to your computer. And in my case, you can see that there is a monitor of the Yeti X analog stereo and Yeti X analog stereo, and in my case what I want is the Yeti X analog stereo. And once you have that, you will want to copy this device ID, and after that you will want to create a sh file that is tagged to be an executable. In my case, I've already done this, so I have a noisetorch_autostart.sh in my home directory, and I went to properties, permissions, and ticked is executable. That's the simplest way to do it. And in this file I simply wrote !bin/bash, hit enter, set space -e, hit enter a couple times, and then noisetorch space -lowercase s space, and then that device ID that I copied for the mic that I use, which is the Yeti X, pasted that, and then space -i space -o. So once I have that done, in my case, for checking the stuff that auto starts, I just search auto start in the program menu, and it'll open the auto start section of the system settings. And as you can see down here, I have the noisetorch_autostart.sh file, but at least on this distribution and desktop environment, you go to add login script, and then wherever you put it, you just need to select it, and then it will be added to the login scripts. And after that, every time you start up your computer, Noisetorch will start without any issue all the time. So far, I have not had one issue at all with it starting with the OS. It's really been smooth since I've done this, and it's been, I think, a week or two now that I've been running this. So yeah, with that, yeah, hopefully it is helpful to you guys. If I am wrong about it working on any distribution with this method, please let me know, and I will pin that comment so everyone is aware of that if for some reason it doesn't work on a specific distribution. So yeah, with that, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.